Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening PowerShell as administrator. This grants the permissions needed to remove system apps. Make sure you know your Windows version and sign in with an admin account because package commands vary by build. Create a system restore point or backup important store data before continuing. Once done, verify Windows Update has no pending restarts. Now you're ready to run the removal command that targets the Microsoft Store package without affecting other apps. You'll remove the store by running getapps package * Windows store * remove apps package in elevated PowerShell. This uninstalls the current user copy. If the store is provisioned for new accounts, run remove apps provision package with the appropriate package name so it won't auto-reinstall. Wait for the command to finish and then reboot your PC. Rebooting clears file locks and prepares the system for re-registration. Make sure Windows Update completed first, because a pending update can block reinstallation commands. You reinstall by re-registering the store package. Open PowerShell as admin and run adapps package register, /Windows /system apps /Microsoft. Windows Store 8 wekib 3d8 bbwe /apps manifest. XML disable development mode. Once installed, run ws reset, exe to clear the store cache, then sign in and test downloads. If the store won't open or errors appear, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then retry. Troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, create a new local admin account to check whether the problem is profile specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.